Raised planters are a craze, and the best part about it is working with National Planter Supply. Getting these planters, he was able to design these specifically for this project and for this homeowner. We have the planters here installed. They're 4 foot by 10 foot. They're easy to put together. They come on a pallet, you bolt them together, tighten those bolts up, you have some bracing going across. In this application here, I set them on a couple pavers on the corners, so that way it helps stabilize the planters themselves. And another unique feature is that we use these planters as a retaining wall. So we save the customer on some of the step material here, put the planters in because that's what they wanted anyways. And here we are, we have a beautiful end product. Again, it's a craze nowadays. People want to bring their food from their gardens in and put it on the table. So again, National Planter Supply supply these planters. They're Corten steel planters. It looks like it rusts, but it actually doesn't rust. These will last you forever. It's the same material that they use on bridges. So it looks like they're rusted, but again, gonna last forever. A great product, great service. They're beautiful. So we're super excited, the customer's super excited and elated to have these planters. Make sure you guys are offering this value to your clients. This is added value that you guys can install, build, create, design in. So make sure you're doing that and adding that value to your customer. If you want to watch another video that shows adding value, please click the video on the screen. Again, thanks for watching. These are great products, great solutions for your homeowners. Make sure that you're designing them in. Thanks again.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here,
or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here,
and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.